Hello, my name is Roop Sani, and I welcome you to the iTwin platform. In this course, we're going to create our very own iTwin application, and we're going to learn about some key iTwin concepts along the way. The first question, though, is what exactly is the iTwin platform? Now, to answer that, we'll have to dive into the history of infrastructure design. It all starts with paper. Paper was the original design application. It's been used by engineers and architects to design infrastructure assets for centuries. It's the only way we knew how to store data. Then back in the 1960s, this changed. We saw the emergence of the first CAD software. 3D BIM and CAD data eventually became the industry standard, and files and databases became the ideal way of storing data. Now, of course, this was a huge leap forward for the industry, but it still had its limitations. Since modern infrastructure projects involve large and diverse teams, it inevitably resulted in multiple streams of data in many different formats and locations. This led to a lot of confusion, chaos, and ultimately added to the overhead of the projects. There was no central organizing force in play to maximize the potential of the collective work. Then finally, the world moved towards cloud computing, which made it possible to bring together multiple streams of data in one place, that is the cloud. And that's where the iTwin platform comes in. It brings together the latest and greatest cloud technologies to create a common representation called a digital twin or an iTwin of an asset that allows us to see the collective data of a project in one place. Not only can we bring together the project data on a single pane of glass to view, we can also add additional data sources to our iTwin, such as IoT sensors, artificial intelligence, to further build its value. Just to see a few examples, we have successfully used this technology to create smart wind farms that can monitor and predict renewable energy production, connected highways that can supervise and ensure the safety of traveling passengers, IoT-powered buildings that can maximize the energy efficiency of offices, and smart utility management systems that can oversee the live electrical and water usage of entire cities. We solved all these problems using some basic core principles of the platform, and that's what we're going to discuss in this course. Our goal is that by the end of this course, you can start to think in terms of digital twins and learn how to break down and solve the infrastructure problems of the modern world. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in class.